today I'm showing you how to make my best ever chicken katsu curry. So let's go. Here's what you need for the curry sauce. Screenshot or click the link below for the full ingredients. First up, we're going to saute the onion, carrot and the apple over a medium heat with a splash of oil. Saute them until they're starting to soften and they're fragrant. Now you want to sprinkle over some flour and your spices. Cook this without any other moisture for a couple of minutes just to get rid of the raw flour taste. And this also toasts the spices and releases their fragrance. Oils, don't know, makes them smell good. Give them a stir so everything is well coated and then deglaze with all of that chicken stock. Everything stuck to the bottom of the pan, that's flavor, so you want to scrape it up, make sure that's all in your sauce. Now your chicken stock's in, you're going to add soy sauce and brown sugar. If you want to use salt instead of soy sauce, that's up to you. I just like the flavor of soy sauce. Brown sugar has more of a molasses flavor, but at the end of the day, sugar is sugar. So once everything's stirred through and combined, you want to leave that to simmer on a medium-low heat until the carrots are soft enough to blend up. We're going to transfer everything from the pot into a blender. You can also use an immersion blender, so a hand blender. Transfer the silky smooth sauce back into the pan and leave it to the side until you're ready to use it. While we wait, you guys sent in some questions that I'm going to try and answer. It does improve the flavor and it's delicious, but I'm lazy, I don't do it. It's not essential, don't worry about it. Is that the question? Chicken? Weird question. Yes. I like in between. I'd say I like a medium. Traditionally, it's served with sticky Japanese rice, but use whatever you've got. You can use any long grain or short grain white rice. Generally, in life, I don't know. Here's what you'll need for the chicken. You're going to grab your chicken breast and you're going to butterfly it slightly just so it's a little bit flatter. Then you're going to put it between two pieces of cling film and get your battering ram. I don't know what it's, meat basher. Meat pounder. What is it? Pounder. Mallet. You're going to bash it out until it's pretty thin. You want to go as thin as you can without breaking the chicken. When we fry it, we want it to all be one even texture, even thickness, so that it cooks evenly. If you can't get it super thin, don't worry, it's still going to be delicious. Season your chicken with salt and pepper, then it's going to go straight into the flour. Lightly dust it in flour and then put it straight into the egg. Using a different hand, wet hand, dry hand. Important, and then it's going to go straight into the panko. Make sure it's well coated in the panko because that's what's going to give it the crunch. Once it's coated in the egg, flour and breadcrumbs, it's ready to fry. Carefully place the chicken into the hot oil. Let it cook until it looks a bit golden around the edges, then give it a flip, cook the other side. Once both sides are deep golden brown, immediately take it out of the oil and let it drain on a kitchen roll or on a drying rack so that the excess oil drains off, and then immediately salt it while it's still hot. Transfer the chicken onto a board and slice it up real nice. Okay. And then you're ready to go. You're ready to assemble. We're going to start with a big pile of sticky rice, a big spoonful of the curry sauce. Then you're going to go straight in the middle of the rice and the sauce with the crispy sliced chicken. Then we're going to finish it off with a pile of the cabbage and cucumber salad. How beautiful does this look? Damn! Here it is, my ultimate chicken katsu curry. It's just the best combination of flavors, textures, just everything you could want in a meal. Cheers. That sauce is so good. The little kick from the chili powder just takes it to the next level. With the crispy chicken, it's just the best. Let me know in the comments if you like katsu curry or how you like to make it. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like, subscribe, and keep an eye out for the next video. See ya. See ya. Can I do another